Oh, okay. Luzona, I talked to Alicia Akins in your same department. I talked to her in regards to um, first off, for two reasons. Number one, um, my case in regards to this matter is actually getting ready to go before federal court. Number one, and number two, um, I also have not received a creditor disclosure statement from TD Bank, nor have I received a creditor disclosure statement from Westgate. I had sent this off way back at the beginning of the time when I began having these notices, way before these notices even came. Follow what I'm saying? So I'm bringing you up to speed on this, and I'm just letting you know because obviously this is something that you don't know about. And in respects to that, um, I am not saying that I am not honoring my agreement in regards to anything. I'm not saying that whatsoever. However, I do need that creditor disclosure statement sent to me in regards to the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act 1692 and 1694 in order to establish any type of collection efforts. Therefore, it may not be reported to my particular credit report in accordance with 15 United States Code 1692, Section F, subsection 1, which is called illegal interest. All right? So I'm saying that I have yet to receive any type of written notification. I have not received any billing statements from TD Bank. I only received phone calls. I have not received any billing statements whatsoever. So it is not my delinquency in regards to dishonor, but in regards to this contract. Do you understand what I'm saying? So is it possible if you can forward me a billing statement? Is that okay? Yes, because I haven't received one. I only received one, and that was for the month of October. And here we are headed into December, but I have not received one since then. So you can send it to the address. Yes, you can send it to the address that I mentioned beforehand, and then we can assess any charges from that. All right. Thank you very much. I definitely need a statement. I need some sort of statement so I can actually return it back in good faith in regards to any type of discrepancy whatsoever. Okay, can you notate that in the system as well that I also requested it on this date at 11:46 a.m. Have any attempts been made in regards to this account to actually have any type of repossession of any type of property or any adverse action happen on behalf of TD Bank so far? Okay. Okay. Yes, because I haven't received anything. Me nor my wife have received anything. So I just want to make sure we're on the same page. But I definitely need that creditor disclosure statement. Could you please notate that in the system as well? Nope. Okay, so again, your name is Luzana Gonzalez, correct? Okay, so the next time I should expect to hear from y'all, I should have a creditor disclosure statement, correct? What? Oh, now, this is the creditor disclosure statement. We're not talking about a billing statement. We're talking about a creditor disclosure statement. Okay, well, in the meantime, okay, in the meantime, between time, you can just send me the billing statement, take it from there. Because I'm going. This is not a threat. This is just being just protect myself. My next step in regards to any collective disclosure statement in regards to 1694 Collection Practices Act. This is also considered a violation of privacy on behalf of TD Bank because I haven't received any type of consumer information regarding this debt. And I'm not making any threats because I haven't had any statements whatsoever sent to me yet. So I'm going to pause on my next action. My next action in regards to any type of collection attempt, because I haven't received any debt validation, is to contact the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and also to contact the State Attorney General's office in regards to any collection attempts in regards to any type of repossession. Do you understand what I just said? Okay, so please contact any entity in regards to Westgate. Point of contact is Garrett Edens, which is spelled Garretedens. And please contact him at Westgate because on the actual documentation, he is held as to be considered the creditor. And I need that statement from Westgate in regards to any further collection attempts in regards to that. Other than that, it is considered a legal interest. And these are the steps that I will take to protect myself in regards to my commercial transaction with Westgate on behalf of TD Bank. All right? Okay, thank you very much. I'm looking forward to getting that statement from you. I'll talk to you soon. You too. Now, what you just saw me do was basically just handle these people respectively with consumer law. I didn't get upset. I didn't get mad. I didn't get nasty. I didn't do anything. I just put things in proper perspective. And I'm showing y'all people that this is what you can do as well. Now, when they start trying to harass you, so to speak, you let them know your next step. Now, as you can see, she said no collection attempts have been made. I haven't had any statements sent to me since they were requesting anything. So I really don't know who I'm doing business with until I have one of these filled out. Credit disclosure statement. So she's going to send me a billing statement, but she never said nothing about a credit disclosure statement, which means that the debt cannot be validated, people. I'm telling y'all, I'm dropping y'all the sauce in real time. But y'all don't want to hear me though. You know what I'm saying? Now, this was a representative I was just on the phone with in regards to this matter. So this was in real time. So you can't say that what I'm saying isn't real. Now you might not want to believe it for what it is, because you want to listen to all these other motherfucking knuckleheads out here. And for the most part, they don't know what they're talking about. I'm showing y'all how to deal with bill collectors in real time. In order for anybody to try to collect on the debt, if you listen to the video carefully, you saw how eloquently I basically let them know what my next step is. They're gonna get their goose in order, and guess what? Ain't no repossession attempts on my property. It is what it is. I'm cool. I'm straight. I need that paperwork. You know what I'm saying? I need that paperwork. Not now, but I need it right now. You feel what I'm saying? And then you have to also make sure they notate that in the system that you made that request, which means that you don't fall in dishonor. So they can never take your property that you rightfully paid for. But they need to rightfully give up that information. And that's in less than 9 minutes. Stop playing with Lord Likes Fair Prince. Go ahead and donate to my channel for all this hard work I'm putting in, man. Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man. Come on, bring them coins in if you want the sauce. Come on now. I do this in real time. This is my life. This is not no script. This is my life. This is what I do in real time. But you know, my wife home for lunch, and I ain't gonna take too much of that time. She on short notice, so y'all go ahead and give me that motherfucking goddamn change, man. Come on, call that shit to your boy, man. Let's go. Come on, man. Show y'all how to handle these debt collectors in real time, man. Come on now. Come on now. Let's bring it. Bring it. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Workman worthy of his wages. This is what I do all day long. You know what I'm saying? I don't run from these people. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people will, but I don't. Y'all stay tuned, man. Peace. Light, love, ages, man. Fuck y'all. Y'all already know how I handle y'all, man. Get out of here. Goodbye. Goodbye. Y'all stay tuned.